MJ-250 Portable Valve Grinding, Machine Assembly and Usage Tutorial. Maintenance and installation of flat globe valve seat. Choose a 3-claw rack, motor with connectors. Transmission components, large grinding disc connectors, parallel grinding plates, and parallel sandpaper pressure plates. Valve seat maintenance and installation method. Adjust the position of the expansion block according to different valve sizes. Then insert the probe arm component into the inner hole of the 3-claw rack. Choose a suitable grinding head and stick or press the sandpaper properly. Secure the grinding head firmly with a nut again. Valve seat maintenance usage method. Place the 3-claw rack assembly together with the probe arm assembly into the valve. Use a specialized wrench to tighten the rack components onto the valve. Then rotate the compression handwheel clockwise to the end. Lift the probe arm assembly to a distance of 2 to 5 mm from the valve sealing surface. Then use an Allen wrench to tighten the locking block. Install the motor onto the motor base and lock it securely. Connect the power supply. Jog the motor for trial operation. After confirming that there are no abnormalities, rotate the clamping handwheel counterclockwise to make the grinding head contact the sealing surface, and then continue to rotate the clamping handwheel counterclockwise. Press the grinding head to the appropriate pressure and start grinding until the grinding is complete. Precautions for valve seat maintenance. If sandpaper needs to be replaced during the grinding process, the machine should be stopped first, and then the pressing handwheel should be rotated clockwise to make the grinding head leave the sealing surface. Use a special wrench to loosen the 3-claw rack. Remove it together with the transmission components and replace the sandpaper. After replacement, tighten the 3-claw rack together with the transmission components onto the valve and grind as above. Maintenance and installation of flat globe valve core. Select motor with joint, motor seat, large valve core universal shaft, parallel grinding plate. Valve core maintenance and installation method. Install the parallel grinding plate onto the large universal shaft. Tightening of hexagon socket screws. Install the motor base and complete the installation of the motor. Valve core maintenance and usage method. Measure the diameter of the valve core and select a parallel grinding plate for installation. Paste sandpaper onto a parallel grinding plate for grinding and repair. Suggested grinding method. First, use 120 sandpaper to polish in order to observe the damage to the sealing surface. Choose sandpaper or sandpaper cloth for grinding and repairing based on the damage to the sealing surface. Observe the grinding effect of the sealing surface at any time. Gradually increase the grinding mesh size 60 to 80 to 120 to 240 to complete valve repair. The grinding process remains smooth and concentric. After use, turn off the motor first, wait for the motor to stop rotating, and then remove the motor.